Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, do take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the US dollar yen did drift down yesterday, like I said it would, but instead of going down to the bottom of the channel, it made another higher low, another higher low. The fact that it didn't break structure right there and made an impulsive move up should have been your clue to exit your short. Now, I do think it is going to break structure on the daily time frame, especially because we did close above the 78% so hard. So I definitely am looking at it as breaking structure more than likely. So whether or not it pushes down on the sort of time phase before it breaks structure, I guess is another question. This still could be an A, and this could be like an expanding wave B or potentially a running wave B, and then it could be a wave C, and then go down to the bottom of the channel and then continue up. I still would prefer to just recommend longs because even though it looks like something like this is likely, because this looks like a wave A, it looks like it could be a wave B, and it looks like it could be a wave C, seems like a very likely scenario. But when your higher time frames are telling you that it's going to go up and break structure, oftentimes stuff like this happens is it pushes down, makes a higher low. It pushes down, makes a higher low, and then just keeps on drifting up. So I am definitely prefer to recommend longs because I do think the higher time frames will continue up and they will most likely break structure on that daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.